Aha! Have more chain parts. So now I'll be able to fix it when the chain breaks again. So I know it probably put one more bolt in, get the seat and stuff on it, and well, I don't know. Can't see too well out there, but it is muddy and sticky. We're gonna have a hell of a time ripping around on my go-kart. So, couple minutes, I should get some footage up. Guys, well, the engine's in, seat's on. Just gotta pump up the tire. It's a little flat now, and we'll go for a rip. All right. Well, tire's pumped up and everything. Let's see if she'll start. Switch on. Alright, well, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know. Alright, well, get some footage up. Alright guys, well, get a little bit of footage here. Well guys, that is just terrible. Just mud and slush, and my hair's just soaked and full of mud now. Barely even get going. What a mess.